Okay, hello everybody, Mr. Fritz here. As promised, here are one of the answers to, oh, that's my dog. Here's the answer to one of tonight's homework problems. This is number 9, and this is an AND problem, so that's going to be important to us. So our goal is to solve each one of these. Now, I know in class I said with the ANDs, you're solving them all together at the same time, but what I should have clarified is that only when you have something where you have a situation like this, where you have an x in between two inequalities, that is when you're going to solve them all at the same time. If we're separating the two inequalities with the word and my variable is not in between two inequalities, I can solve that as two separate things. So that being said, let's go for it. I'm going to take this first inequality here. -1 plus 5n is greater than -26. I'm going to solve that one first. So using our algebra skills, we want to add 1 to both sides. This is going to go away. I'm going to get a 5n is greater than -25. Now I'm going to divide both sides by a 5. That's going to become a 1. That's going to become a 1. So I'm going to get n is greater than -5. Okay, that's one piece. Let's take this second part here and solve it in green. So 7n minus 2 is less than or equal to 12. Same steps using our algebra skills, plus 2 on both sides. This is going to go away. I'm going to have a 7n is less than or equal to 14. Next, I'm going to divide both sides by 7. That goes away, becomes 1s. So my final answer for this inequality is n is less than or equal to 2. So I've got both of these inequalities now that have been boiled down to just one variable, and I want to join them with an AND inequality. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down. Try that again. I'm going to scroll down a little bit on my notebook page here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to graph each one of those, okay, on a number line here. So here's my number line. And let's see, I'll start with the n is greater than -5 first. So let's put my -5 over here. And if it's greater than, I want an open circle. And greater than -5 will be everything to the right. So that's one inequality. I'm going to do the right-hand inequality underneath it. That is going to be, here's my 2. So I want a filled-in circle because it's greater than or equal to, and I'm less than 2. So I'm going to go in that direction. So my final inequality is going to look something like this. There's my -5, there's my 2. Remember, you want to look at where both of your lines are overlapping when you're describing your AND inequalities. So everything to the left of -5 only has one line, that's this one, and everything to the right of 2 is going to have one line, that's this one. But between 2 and -5, looks like I'm going to have 2 lines there. So my final solution is going to be a filled-in circle for 2, then an open circle for 5, and then everything in between is my solution set. To write out my solution set, you can write it as -5 is less than x, which is less than or equal to 2. And there you have it. That is number 9. Hopefully that helps. So good luck with the rest of them, and I'll see you in class tomorrow.